This is why we're inside the RV storage unit today, doing the installation on the solar panels. We've had a little bit of a snow tonight and it's still coming down. So, not much I can do about that, but thank heavens we have an indoor place to work. You're on camera. Here we go. Unboxing this Renogy 200-watt solar panel system. It's the charge controller, instruction manual. Got all of our cables. Heavier cables than the ZAMP that's included with the Mini Lite. So we're going to not be using that at all. And then we checked up on the roof and found a pathway down, which will be at the top of the awning. There's a nice open channel all the way down through this. So we're going to come down in here somewhere, and we'll go through a hole through the wall, and then we'll come out down through this panel. We're going to take that off and then run over to where our electrical cables are, back in the back corner there, and then up to our batteries up front. It's snowy here today, so it's a little bit darker than I'd hoped, but it'll work out. Anyway, we're going to need some switches because there are some restrictions and warnings on this about how you use your solar in conjunction with shore power and battery power. So we'll give you a little more information on that later. Okay, found a way to run our wiring down through the awning. Backside, there's a protective sheath here that runs back along this, comes out right there, and then we can come down. And they've already got wiring running inside there. We'll drill 2 more holes there and go right inside with our wiring. And that will come out right there. So we got our solar panels mounted. 2 of them here. We have our dichlor sealant down. We're going to run in series.
What?
Oh, I'm doing a video.
Oh.
Greg thought I was talking to him. So we're coming right down here. And this is going to go right down the channel for the canopy. So it went right down inside there very easily. And we've got the 2 connected together here. Lots of room on either side. And we should be good to go. Now for the hard part.